This is unboxing and DIY of multi-layer shoe rack shoe organizer. You can also purchase a 4, 5, and 6 layer shoe rack. This is a 7 layer shoe rack. This rack will keep your shoes neatly packed away, making the entrance of your house clean and tidy, so no more messy, untidy entrance. It can accommodate any shoe type, as the layers can be disassembled with ease. In assembling the parts, it's always a good technique to first sort out the different parts, and that is what I'm doing. Here's the instruction manual and breakdown of the parts to be assembled. This is for the first layer or the bottom layer. This serves as the side cover of the rack. I will assemble first all the layers and then the side covers. This is for the second layer. For this layer and the remaining layers, a flap will be attached, which will serve as the front cover. So, along with side covers, this front and side covers make the rack dust-proof. The same method of putting the parts together will be applied for the other layers. This time, I'm assembling the parts for the side covers. And for the top layer, side rails are provided. So here it is. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.